Hi guys, welcome to this short video about this Android Auto wireless adapter. I've been buying just recently a very new car with built-in Android Auto, but I have never been successful connecting my new phone to it. Unfortunately, I don't know why, but after a couple of attempts I totally gave up. Even though I've been working in IT for a long time, I haven't been able to do that. So I figured out maybe this device could solve my problem. So I'm going to show you how I try this and if I'm successful. So stay tuned till the very end of the video. And so here's the packaging with some description also here in the back. And what's important here in the back, what they are saying, that this device can turn your wired Android Auto experience into a wireless Android Auto experience. That's I guess the most important point here. When I bought my new car at the dealership, I was asking them if I can use this car for Android Auto wireless, but they were saying I can only use it wired, and this is the case with a lot of cars. So this could be a really good solution. And so here is what we get. Really nice small device, short cable is exactly what we want, and it comes even with a USB-A to USB-C adapter. So depending on what you have on your car, you can use it directly here with the USB-A, or then use this adapter and use it with USB-C. Comes also with this user manual, also some description here. And so we are here in the car is running. I hope you can still see and understand everything. And so I have the device here, I have my phone, and down here we have two plugs. We have USB-A and USB-C, and because we have the USB-A, I'm trying here with the USB-A. I just plug it in and we can see this blue light here. And so I have already Wi-Fi on, and I go to Bluetooth, and of course we allow to access contacts and call logs. Click on pair. Okay, so there is something. It says Android Auto is connected. That's something. It took me just about 10 seconds or so. I really did nothing on this display, I can guarantee you. It asks here for some permission. Yeah, let's continue. And now I have everything here. This is absolutely incredible. I've been trying for hours before and I couldn't connect it without this device, and now it's fully connected. Yeah, this is absolutely incredible. I have everything available. I can even use the microphone of the car here. Yeah, of course I turn it off here before it's doing some crazy stuff, but this is really nice. And now I can even lock my phone, put it somewhere, and use everything directly from here, and it's using all the functions, everything directly from my phone. Of course I had to blur everything because there's a lot of personal information about location and everything, but you can definitely believe me that everything is here. The map, all the function, navigation, even the sound I can even use directly here. Spotify, phone settings, everything. This is incredible. Such a really nice experience. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.